Hi guys, it's Jace here, and don't mind me covering my chest. And today we're doing an unboxing video about Pokemon Team Magma versus, I really don't know the other team's name, so let's get started by showing you the Team Magma pen, which is on my chest, which I was trying to block. I like it, makes me feel cool, and this is a Team Magma chip. You like it, don't you? And let me start by taking out the Pokemon. Here's the first one, Puchia, and let me get the other one. It's this one. I seriously do not know its name, but I'm going to try to read it. Whatever it is. Let me do the other one, and this is Seafoam. See how cute he is. Look how cute. He's so cute. Okay, and this, ooh, look at this shiny one. It's on Team Magma's team. I think I already got this one, but it's way more shinier, right? You gotta agree with me, this one. Now, this is Muck. Yes, Muck. I got this first form, but now I need, no, this is the second form, but now I need the first form. So wish me luck, and that's all the Pokemon are in the first pack. And here's Team Aqua Grunt. I seriously don't care about those supporters. And here's the Team Magma Grunts, and I really don't care about it. So that's out of the first pack. Okay, the garbage goes here. Hold on. Let me do stuff. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to open the other one, which is this one. Okay, now let's start opening and reading, and hope me luck for EX, because I really need the luck for the EX. I need the EX. Need it, or else I die. So let's start by the first one. Slimer. I got the first type, and it's a repeat. So this is Slimer. Say it. This is Slimer. So let me put it over here. And this is Geimer. And I don't care about. It's on Team Aquas. Now I got the first form and the second form. Okay, now what's the? Okay, this is the next one. It's Iron. So she's cute. See how cute they are. You already know this guy. You already know him. See, this is a foil card. Okay, and this is Campfront. It's the second form of one of my other Pokemon, and he has 110 health. Nice. Okay. And I got another Team Magma card, and ooh, I got Team Aqua Secret Base. Now that's nice. Okay, now I'm gonna open this pack, the whale one. I seriously don't know the name, so if you know it, type it so I can say it, and so I pronounce it right. So I really don't know much about it. So wait, hold on. Well, I got another number. See it? Okay, there's another number. And I got this one. This is Baloid. This is the third one I got. So, and ooh, I got a Zangoose. Nice. Okay, I'm keeping this guy. Oh, and this is a foil of the second form of this is the foil card of Cameron. This is the foyer card. Say it. Let's see it. See? You seriously see it? Okay. What the crap? I got the third form of the little seal. The little seal. I don't care about their name. I got the third form. The freaking third form. So there. And I got another team Magma Grunt and a special energy, which is 2 water types. So yay! Okay, now with the fourth one, guys, slap that like button and give me some hope so I can get an EX. A freaking EX. Oh my god, this is the fourth one. Crap. There's another Zangoose. What the crap? And there's a second for the doggy. And there's a four card normal. What the? Oh my god, what the crap? I got another one of these. And I got Team Aqua's Adamant. And a Magma Pointer. What the crap? So, whoa. What is this? What the okay, this is stuff I wrote on. Ooh, that's good. Okay, there's that thing. That thing I really don't know about. And that's all for today. And there's this thingy. And I really don't care. So slap that like button. And hope you like this video. Ciao.